Well, YouTube, I've been bad. Yes, I've done something very bad. And I feel I need to confess to you. Uh, See, the thing is, I went back in time. That's right. I went back in time to 1985. I know, that's hard to believe. But I did. But that's not the bad part. The bad part is I went back in time and I didn't help myself. I didn't offer any guidance to myself. Like, you should buy land, or you should save your money, or you shouldn't eat that weird hot dog that was kind of slimy. Well, I didn't do that. That's the bad part. But what I did do, and this is the bad part too, is I went shopping in 1985 because the prices were just so good. I went shopping. I spent money in 1985. And I could have done so much more. But oh well. Let me show you what I bought. Direct from 1985, a Tamiya Grasshopper kit. That's right. Brand new. Now, in reality though, I'm sitting here thinking, this is so nice. This got the plastic on it. Maybe I should just put it on a shelf for another 10 years and then sell it. Well, there's a much louder voice saying, open it up, build it, run it. So that's what I'm going to do. This is the Tamiya Grasshopper, released in 1984, and I actually had one. And I don't know what happened to it. It disappeared. I don't remember selling it. I don't remember giving it away. But back then, this box art is what caught the young people's eye. And it caught my eye. So this is a re-release. I'm not sure of the year. I think maybe 2014 or 2010. But it's an older release. It has an electronic speed controller, which I will not be using. But everything else is like the original. I don't know if my camera is focusing. I hope it is. So Tamiya 1/10 scale. See all the nice Japanese writing? That's so awesome. All right. Well, let's, I hate to do this. I want to kind of keep it all new like, but that's the smaller voice. Let's open it. Let's see if I can do it without completely tiring up the box. All right. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. Ta-da! Let's see what we got here. This brings back memories of my youth. And that's really the sole purpose you would buy this. This is not a competitive product anymore. If you want to buy a young man, a young person, an RC car or RC car or truck, there are much more capable, up-to-date options. But the whole reason a person would buy this is really to go back in time a little bit. So let's see, we have the body and the chassis. And once you buy this, you're going to be online looking at every mod you could possibly do to it. And if you did all those mods, you would end up spending more than the higher quality ones. So don't do all the mods. Just save your money and buy a higher tier car that has it all included. Unless you just enjoy modding things, then that's a different story. All right, there's the body. Some instructions. In different languages. Here is the book, the big book. And just a couple tips. A lot of people get these vehicles and they get the lithium polymer batteries. I don't think that's a great idea because these vehicles take a lot of shocks and impacts. And you're better off using a NiCad or nickel NIMH battery. They're more resistant to impacts and to decharging, less likely to explode, but that's another story. There's the instructions. There are the stickers. Are these regular stickers? Or these are water slide, I believe. So that's good. Suspension, steering. Okay. There's the driver. I might paint the driver first. I think that's the first thing I'll do. I might work on the driver. There are the tires. Got the sand paddles, which are not the best, but they look good. Let's see. There's the motor assembly and transmission. All right. There are the wheels. I like those buggy style wheels. There's the speed controller. How about that? I don't know. I said I wasn't going to use it, but maybe I will. It's not that bad looking. Let's see. What? There's something. There's the antenna whip. Bing. Everything's 2.4 gigahertz now. You don't really have antennas, but I still might use it. All right, what do we got here? We got another sealed box. There's the gears and front springs, rear springs. All right, there's the motor. Hardware. Front bumper. Some sort of bushings and pins. There's the axles. Boy, they're heavy. They're really heavy. All right. And more hardware. And more hardware. And these are the bushings. Now, I have bought a set of bearings because these bushings, they work okay, but they wear out, and if they're not lubed properly, they cause resistance. So I bought a set of bearings to use instead of these. Let's see. There's some more gears. Well, I'm going to really enjoy building that. All right, and that goes over here. Let's see, that was over here. That's down in there. Let's see, don't forget the antenna. Decals. Manual. And the body. All right. The box. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep that together, but I'm going to try to keep the box. I like how this front axle's kind of got iodinized or gold. I might paint mine like that. Well, anyway, That is the Tamiya Grasshopper unboxing. Straight to you, the viewer, from 1985. All right, well, have a good day. Be careful. Try to avoid dangerous situations and think ahead if you can. Bye-bye.